Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So this one I will put on the left, on the right. This one we change by dy over dx. So this one I will put on the left, dx I will put on the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Now we need to concentrate on this one. We need to multiply by e to the power of y on numerator and denominator. So this one we simplify and we have e to the power of 2y plus 1. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of y. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change by u and we have u squared. This one we change by du. The integration of this one we have arctan of u and I will put about c. About u, that is about e to the power of y. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about x and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.